Next tab is behavior. These are a preset animation that designing especially for text. You can see, you can go in your mouse over and see what happened. I use it a lot in my text animation, but you can use it for anything. For example, we have a simple annotation and simple text. Type it tutorial cells. Send text. You can use text. I learned it. You learned them before. You can use this behavior. So where is our in the timeline? They are going. Oh, they are going here. You can snap them. Boom, boom to the first, and you can use it here. Make it a little bit bigger. So you can see there have no animation. For example, for entering the text, I use fly in. Select your text and drag and drop fly in. So this is an behavior added. What happened? You can see fly in, and then after the end of that, automatically fly out, inverse of that. So in between you can control. You can see that it's not have animation, but it's you cannot change it. You can see the behavior is fly in the beginning, doing something in middle, and fly out. If you select it, you can see we have 3 tabs here. This is a fly in behavior, in, during, out. In the in, you can change a style. All of these styles are here, fly in. So if it enter, for example, you can small it something like that. It's snap to that. It's fly in your scene, and for example, and then fly out. Okay, you can do it something like that. So in style is fly in. Again, you can use all of them here. A type for the text, left to right or right to left or fully object. You can see object means it does not fly in letter by letter. It's completely with the full object is flying, but in some cases you can use it text. First to last, left to right, ripple in, anything that you want, you can select it. Up to down, you can see, for example, something like that. Oh, it's an object and you can fly. You can restore it. Boom. You can restore it and flying. Nice. Okay, this is an in. Enduring, it means between entering and out. Enduring of that, you can add another style in between. For example, pulsing. You can see in between, they are pulsing. In pulsing, you can change the scale, time. I will show you. So this is the first thing that you are here. You can drafting something like this. You can see in out, or you can exactly, we have the same settings, but you can change the style. If you change a different style, we have a different settings. So we have a lot of style. I don't want to explain all of them. Just play with settings and see what happened. It's a drift. I think in settings this for text you have doing that. You can also assigning, for example, pulsing to this. You can see entering with the pulsing and pulsing enduring and out, and boom. So we can use this preset with the settings. For example, you can see we have it is drifting. Yes, that's right. And we have some other settings. Movement is spring, bouncing is in, is up, linear is smooth. Anything that you want, you can select it and test it. What happened in your scene. I don't want to explain all of these settings because they are very different. And you can use tension, change the tension. So these are behaviors. You can assign it to your text, to your object. Or for example, you can assign two things here. You can see it's scaling, pulsing, anything that you want. For example, a scale. In a scale, in it's growing. You can see it's growing, something like this. The movement is a spring. It has a bounce. You can see it has a bounce. In a during, you can make it non anything, drifting, jump. You can make it in a during jumping. You can see jumping, and then at the end, it scaled down. So it's a scale up at the first, it automatically stay down in a, if you use some of these. But at the end and out, you can use it fly out. I want to go fly out. For example, from here is scaling up. At the during, we have jumping. You can see we have little, and at the after we are flying out. In the during, we need more to jump. You can see. Loop forever if you want. You can change the jump, offset. In a during, I think in this case during is not happy. Pulsing, I think during happened better. And for out, you can change fly out from in, anything that you want. Or you can make it none and out. Okay, please test all of these and see what happened. You can go in your mouse over them and see wiggle, sliding. You can see, for example, it can be sliding from here and then slide out after finishing. You can minimize or maximize your media. For example, in this case, it's a text. It's not a video with a special timing. You can do it. For example, if you assign, for example, sliding, it does not act like a text. Okay, because it does not have text, just a solid object, and it slides something like this, and then I slide out at the end. So for objects, solid objects, because they haven't any letters, so these behaviors cannot be seen there because it's especially designed for the text. Actually, you can see, you can go in your mouse over that and see which behavior do you want to use in text, but you can use it. For example, if you use this pop-up for your shapes, it pop up like something like this. But if you assign it to the text, all of the letters going something like this. That's it.